Presenting a pre-owned 2010 GMC Yukon. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 69,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include power sunroof, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, OnStar, and Bluetooth.